Oh yeah, what's up, guys? This is the boy Dennis here again. I'm so excited to share with you this new software. Uh, it's actually a software which it allows you to create a video without you putting your own face, especially if you are doing an affiliate marketing business. So this software, it allows you to create high quality videos without putting your face, without doing anything. Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Guys, this is a nice software which it can help you to create a beautiful high quality video, maybe to your YouTube video, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, anyway, I mustn't talk too much. Let me walk you through. First, before I go further to this software, if you want this software, I'm gonna leave the link down below so that you can have an access. It's yeah, that is it. I'm gonna leave the link down below. You just pay one payment. I think it's 67, yeah, 67 US dollars, one payment. You will never pay again. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave the link down below if you want to start your own video marketing. Then yeah, this is a good for you because this one, it allows you to create YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Twitter, with the free copyright, so that you don't have any copyright issues. Yeah, so yeah, let's get started and walk you through on how you can create your own video. So yeah, I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna just play a video and yeah, sure, and yeah, so you will have to hear from this video. I think it's a network, but anyway, I think it's gonna start.
In this video, we give you a basic overview of all of the features in our Video Creator app and show you how to create your first video. After you log in first,
So I think it's a network. Okay.
so we take you to the news and announcements page. We want to choose Create Video. Now we'll start up the new video wizard. By default, we're in the All Templates category. We can see everything in the app. Go to the most popular category, or we can go into individuals, 3D product demos, e-commerce. You see for each video, you have a little preview. If you hover over it, click, get a full preview. We can see how long the video is. This is 16 seconds. And we can see what this video needs. For example, this is 2 images, no videos, and 5 lines of text. Now you can see we have sort options. We can sort this by popularity, the date it was added, showing the newest ones on the top, alphabetically by the title, or by the length. We also have a search box. It'll either search within the individually selected category or all templates, and it'll search everywhere. So for food, you see all of the food related videos across all the categories. One last option, the aspect ratio. By default, it's showing all aspect ratios. But we can choose either landscape, 16 by 9, this is your normal widescreen videos. It's also square videos, Instagram, portrait, or vertical videos, more for your phone. Just show those specific sizes. Set back. Okay, now let's create our first video. I'm going to choose this t-shirt mock-up, Pro number 3. 16 seconds long. It requires 2 images, no videos, and 2 lines of text. Select it to use this template. And we're on to step 3, personalize the video. Now it's going to walk us through all the different elements to make this video, starting with audio. Now it comes built in with some music. You can change it. by jumping into the gallery and uploading our own music file. Use the one built in. Just a note, you want to make sure your background music is at least as long as the video clip. And now another note, if you upload a video that comes with its own background music or a voiceover, you'll want to mute that track and upload the audio separately here instead. Otherwise, both will play at the same time. So the audio is good. Proceed to the next part, our image. You can see it takes two images, a logo that's going to appear at the end, and then our shirt design to appear on the shirt. Start out with the logo. So I'm back in the gallery. By default, we're in my gallery. These are files that I've uploaded and used in previous projects. I could upload a file from my PC. We've also integrated in 3 online royalty-free databases. Pixabay, Pixels, Jump Story. You can come in here. You can do a search. Logo is hidden. That. Now, if we wanted to, we could crop this down just what we want. We can lock the aspect ratio. So shrink and grow uniformly. Zoom in, zoom out, it rotated. Just gonna undo all that. Show you another cool feature, remove background. Since this is a logo, we really only want the cat, the flower. We don't want this rocks and the wall. Using this option, background, takes it all away automatically. Select this. We have our cat logo and the shirt design. Pixels this time. Dog. This on our t-shirt. Next, text. And then our company name. You have the option to change the font. Finally, color. You change the color. Shirt label, the other label. Come back, review. Also a preview button. This is going to do a quick render, show a couple of frames of the video so we can see what it's going to look like. Now, this may take a minute or two. Purpose of this demo, just jump ahead, go ahead, proceed. On the final step, step 4, preview and process. Now the option to send an email notification when the render is finished. So as soon as it's done, we'll get an email with a link. Proceed, and it's rendering. We'll start out on the queue, then it'll change to processing. You can see here are some videos that are already finished. Click on this. Preview, we have the option to download it, save it to our PC. We also have the option to edit the video. This will let us reopen that existing project, reopen that wizard we were just in, and make a change. Maybe we had a typo or we need to change our URL. Right next to it is clone. This is similar, except for rather than editing and replacing the existing one, we'll create a new one. So we'll have both copies. And then finally, there's a remove video option to delete the video. Sort our videos, title, length, date, and we can search them. So we have a lot of videos to quickly find what we're looking for. All of this is under the My Videos tab, which you can also access at any time from up here. Also up here, we have link to get support and our profile, where we can log out and check our settings. Update our name, our email, password. And that's it. That's all it takes to create videos with Video Creator.
Yeah, this is it, guys. I think you understand on how it works. Yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna leave a link down below for this particular website so that you can go and start creating your own video that's showing your face, guys. Yeah, this is it. Guys, please, if it gives value, please don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment also down below there. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. If you have any question, you can ask also down below. Yeah, guys, thank you so much. This is for today. See you in the next video. Bye.